Hey everybody, let's talk about methylation and frequencies today. Most people have heard of the MTHFR gene, but if you haven't, I'll just tell you that this means that your body makes methyl groups either too fast or too slow. And methylation is important because it's involved in 3,000 biochemical processes, and the two things I'm going to focus on are detox and serotonin. Because if you undermethylate, you're detoxing too slow and you might not make enough serotonin. So 30% of us either overmethylate or undermethylate, and out of that, 22% of us are undermethylating and 8% of those are overmethylating. So this is how I find out what my methylation status is for the day. I do a bioenergetic scan every morning, and this morning, here's what I saw. As you can see, it looks like I was just not methylating much at all. I have one of the genetic SNPs, so I'm going to methylate 35% slower than one who would not have a SNP. If you have both SNPs, you're going to methylate about 70 to 75% slower. So to fix that, the best thing to do is eat a lot of leafy greens. I knew I wasn't going to sit down and eat a lot of leafy greens today, so I'm going to take some methylcobalamin and methylfolate. I like this one because it's a lozenge, and I also like this one because it has a lot of methylcobalamin and methylfolate to help me with homocysteine levels too. I've also gotten this one on Amazon. Just make sure you're using a reputable company that makes a really clean supplement. So one thing that happens if you're a slow methylator is your histamine levels go up. They have an inverse relationship. So usually you're going to have higher histamine levels if you're a slow methylator. So here were my histamine levels this morning. And as you can see, they were as high as they could be. So I'm going to show you my scan 2 hours after I took my methylated Bs. As you can see, here's my methylation status. I'm just getting right back into the sweet spot where I want to be, where I'm methylating more normally. And then my histamine levels are also in the normal range, which is great. I'm happy about that. I don't know what I would do without bioenergetic scanning. If I didn't have it, I wouldn't know about this, and it would be hard to correct things I don't even know about. So I wanted you to be aware that bioenergetic scanning, which is picking up frequencies in your etheric field and in your energetic body to tell you what could be going on in your body. And every time I've done a scan and gotten blood labs on the same day, the results always align. And so I do feel that I can trust these energetic scans. I hope this helps illuminate all the possibilities for you that exist with frequencies and energetic approaches, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.